Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to showcase 16 plus amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets for 2025 that will revolutionize the way you cook. Whether you're a culinary pro or just starting out, these innovative tools are designed to save you time, boost your creativity, and make meal prep a breeze. From smart appliances to fun utensils, get ready to discover the future of cooking. Let's dive in. Number 1. KitchenAid Gourmet Wire Masher 10.24-inch Black. This masher is ideal for effortlessly mashing a variety of vegetables, including root vegetables, avocados, apples, and nuts. It features an ergonomic handle designed for comfort, ensuring a well-balanced grip that allows for smooth operation, even during heavy use. The handle showcases a debossed logo, a chrome-plated bolster, and a stainless steel end cap for added durability. Constructed from thick 4.5mm stainless steel wire, the head is rust-resistant and built to last. Plus, the masher is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and convenient. For peace of mind, it comes with a 1-year hassle-free replacement warranty and a lifetime limited guarantee. Number 2. Microwave cover for food clear. Speeds up heating and prevents food spills. Splatters and spills make the inside of a microwave look and smell unpleasant. Our cover for microwave splatter can block the loss of some heat and steam when heating food, thereby accelerating the heating speed of food and reducing the risk of overflow, helping keep reheated food appetizing and your microwave interior splatter-free. Perfect kitchen accessories. Dorm and apartment must-haves, Kitchen Gadgets finds 2024 Mother's Day gifts. Portability and convenience. Grayson microwave cover for food with handle design allows for easy picking up and placing of the cover in the microwave, making it convenient for you during the heating and cooking process. Handles have been upgraded for greater durability. The handle is insulated, no need to worry about getting burned. Good kitchen utensils. Number 3. Farberware 5211 Orthorigate to easily cook ground beef and ground turkey with this multifunctional meat chopper utensil. The 5-blade design lets this hamburger meat chopper double as a masher. Quickly mix and mash softer cooked foods, like potatoes, yams, pumpkin, squash, rutabagas, turnips, parsnips, carrots, apples, bananas, and more. Heat resistant. The oversized BPA-free nylon head is heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a safe tool for cooking ground meat, potatoes, and other hot foods. Safe to use on all types of cookware, including non-stick and coated. Easy to use. Mash by pressing blades into cooked food until desired consistency is achieved. Angled blades scrape the sides of bowls and pots while mixing and mashing. Easy to clean. Dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Number 4. Ecolution patented Micropop.Fast Gourmet Popcorn. Choose beautiful, durable temperature-safe borosilicate glass for better popcorn popping experiences. No oil or butter needed. Hot air circulates, preventing burning. Melt butter with the dual-function lid for gourmet results. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. A fun gift idea. Preparing and sharing. Great for a healthy snack, movie night, the big game, or recipes including popcorn. Simply use the dual-function lid to measure the desired serving size. Pour into the Micropop and place in microwave for 3 minutes or less. Hundreds of fun and healthy snack recipe possibilities for your popcorn enjoyment. Money well spent. Make homemade popcorn as an alternative to buying expensive single-use prepackaged bags containing unwanted chemicals, ingredients, and calories. Number 5. Tovolo Microwave Splatter. Microwave cover, the collapsible Tovolo medium. Microwave cover encourages even cooking and keeps your microwave clean with a vented lid. Measures 10.5. L x 10.5 W x 3. H. Interior is 10 diameter. Fits over most plates and bowls. Color, charcoal. Collapsible for easy storage. This collapsible cover pops up to 3 to cover tall dishes, piles of food, and shallow bowls. The cover collapses to 0.75 for easy storage. Cover can also be used flat to cover large bowls to prevent splattering. Multiple uses. Save valuable kitchen space with this multi-purpose tool. The Tovolo microwave cover doubles as a colander, allowing water to drain through the perforated holes, giving you a quick and easy way to rinse fresh produce, fruit, veggies, and more. Microwave and dishwasher safe. BPA-free plastic and silicone for a heat-resistant, food-safe cover. Won't melt in the microwave or dishwasher. Tovolo. Creating tools that make any home chef feel confident in the kitchen. We are committed to improving the relationship our customers have with cooking by designing products that deliver trustworthy performance and are a pleasure to use. Number 6. Betty Crocker Countertop Pizza Maker 1440 Joy of Homemade Pizza. This Betty Crocker 12 pizza pan and indoor grill 13x78 x 15x7 x 5.04 defines the joy of making and baking delicious pizzas with your pizza crust just the way you like it. Maker's gonna make. We love versatile kitchen appliances, so our pizza oven is also a sandwich maker, griddle press, tortilla press, crepe maker electric, omelet maker, quesadilla maker, and more. Oven-free and indoor. Enjoy ovenless cooking with our outstanding 1440 TW electric skillet and tortilla maker. Create delectable nachos, quiches, and pancakes indoors thanks to this electric grill indoor. Easy to clean. The non-stick surface of the superior pizza cooker, grilled cheese maker, and panini maker make cleanup a breeze. Be creative and be messy without scrubbing the night away. Bring people together. Impress friends and family with delicious homemade cheese pizza, thanks to this countertop electric pizza maker. Make memories a la delicious recipes with this electric cooker. Number 7. Ninja CM401 Coffee Maker 50 ounces, 0.4 brew styles. Select from one of the 4 versatile brew styles: classic, rich, over ice, or specialty brew. Specialty brews. Brew a super rich coffee concentrate that you can use to create delicious lattes, macchiatos, cappuccinos, and other coffeehouse-style drinks. Make iced coffee. Brew fresh over ice for flavorful iced coffee that's never watered down. 6 brew size. Brew anything from a single cup or travel size to a half or full carafe in your coffee maker. 6 sizes include cup, XL cup, travel mug, multi-serve travel mug, half carafe, and full carafe. No pods required. Use your favorite grounds to create a single serve, coffee no reusable pod required. Built-in fold away. Frother. Turns hot or cold milk alternative into silky smooth froth. Removable for easy cleaning. Removable water reservoir. Conveniently carry the 40 oz removable water reservoir to your sink for easy filling. Number 8. Magic Bullet Blender Small Silver 11-piece Set. Magic Bullet 11-piece set. Blender and food processor for kitchen with over 40 million bullets sold. Make it fast by keeping it simple. Does any job in 10 seconds or less. High-speed blender and mixer. 10-second recipe book included. Like your personal kitchen food processor and blender assistant. Do it all with high-speed blender and mixer system. Chop, mix, blend, whip, grind, and mince. Handy, versatile, and easy to use. The Magic Bullet Blender and food processor takes up minimal counter space while showcasing maximum speed and versatility. With its unique design and compact size, the Magic Bullet Blender and food processor chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds, and more in less time than it takes to assemble standard kitchen appliances. Make the perfect smoothies and milkshakes, frozen cocktails, and pureed soups super easily. And with a wide array of dishwasher-safe attachments, cleanup is as easy as it gets. The secret to the Magic Bullet's time-saving efficiency is its specially designed blade and unique bullet shape. These features work together to quickly and forcefully circulate food back into the cyclonic cutting zone, allowing the Magic Bullet to do virtually any food prep task in seconds. Number 9. Bunn Heat and Brew 10-Cup Coffee Maker. Wake up to a perfect cup of coffee with Bunn's newly designed Heat and Brew programmable 10-cup coffee maker. For over 60 years, Bunn has consistently and reliably brewed great-tasting coffee for millions of people in their favorite restaurants and cafes. You can count on the brewing experts at BioOne to help you make the same great-tasting coffee at home for your family, friends, or just for you. This coffee maker features a digital clock with a programmable brew start time. Heat and Brew technology heats all the water to the perfect brewing temperature and then starts the Bunn brewing process. This coffee maker doesn't need to stay plugged in on the counter, making it ideal for those who don't brew every day. Number 10. Weston Brands Vacuum Sealer Machine Black, the brand trusted by restaurants and cafes worldwide. Some of the world's largest food service brands rely on BioOne equipment to serve high-quality beverages every day. Our reputation is built upon BioOne innovations in coffee brewing. Today, the Bunn equipment portfolio is designed, engineered, and managed by teams headquartered in Springfield, ILUSA. Whether it's equipment for the most demanding commercial settings or the best cup at home in your kitchen, we are driven by an entrepreneurial DNA to relentlessly pursue the highest quality in the cup for every serving occasion, and to use our success to make the world a better place for our customers and our families. Our home coffee makers are built from this tradition and passion. Bunn home coffee makers bring the flavor and quality of the cafe-style coffee you love directly to the comfort of your home. Number 11. Bunn GRBD Velocity Brew High Altitude. Original 10-cup home brewer, black the stainless steel Pro 2300 has everything you need in a vacuum sealer speed, with a powerful double piston pump and seal bar to finish the job in half the time. Flexibility. The extra long 15 seal bar means you can seal a variety of vacuum sealer bag sizes up to 15 wide. Power. With 935 watts of power, this is one of the most powerful chamber sealers on the market. It even seals through moisture dependability. An extra wide 5mm seal bar creates a solid, dependable seal every time. Durability. The fan-cooled motor is designed specifically for continuous repetitive use without overheating. LED lights monitor the stages of the sealing process. There are 2 seal modes depending on the type of sealing you are doing. The automatic mode has a simple one-touch operation, while the manual seal mode allows you to control the amount of vacuum pressure when sealing soft foods or delicate objects. The transparent acrylic lid makes it easy to align the bag perfectly for sealing. The power cord is detachable and fits within a convenient storage compartment. Number 12, the Saibo SRCP50BG 8L coffee maker. Saibo International Elots is a professional restaurant equipment supplier, founded in 1999, providing bakery equipment, food processing machinery, and refrigeration equipment as our production and sales lead. Since its foundation, our company has dedicated ourselves to the innovation and improvement of quality products to match the market and customer needs. Saibo products are now sold and well received in North America, Europe, Middle East, and Southeast Asia. Number 13, Elite Gourmet EGR8152. The personal-sized, compact Elite Gourmet non-stick electric griddle has plenty of cooking surface for you or two. Convenient and fun for cooking your favorite foods at home. The 10x7 surface is great for pancakes, fluffy French toast, or your favorite fried eggs, yet compact so you can easily pack in your RV or on your camping trips. The non-stick cooking surface heats quickly and evenly, and the removable adjustable thermostat allows you to select the perfect temperature for cooking a variety of delicious meals. It is quick and easy to clean with its non-stick cooking surface, which is designed for easy food release. Features also include a modern design and cool touch handles for serving. Number 14. Kosori Rice Cooker 10 Cup Darn 18. Functions rice maker. Choose from different types of white and brown rice with texture options. 3 types of grains, 3 types of oats, steamed vegetables, slow-cooked soups, and sauté-flavored rice. Perfect rice with Fuzzy Logic. Whether you're a cooking novice or an experienced home cook, our rice cooker uses Fuzzy Logic technology to automatically adjust the 7-step cooking process, ensuring that you can get fluffy and evenly results. Effortless cooking. You can enjoy warm and fresh rice anytime with the automatic 24-hour keep warm and 24-hour delay timer functions. Quick cooking. The perfect rice is worth the wait, and our Quick Rice feature allows you to cook white rice more quickly in a pinch at 1000 WHs of power without sacrificing taste or quality. Easy to clean. All accessories, including non-stick inner pot and removable lid, are dishwasher safe. Number 15. Bunn CSB2B 50 ounces. Coffee maker. Bunn brews differently. The Bunn Speed. Brew uses an internal commercial-grade stainless steel hot water tank that keeps 70 oils of water always hot, so you can quickly brew at the flip of a lid. Simple to use. Pour and bowl features a water level indicator to show you how much water has been added. Matte black finish with high-polished stainless steel backsplash and top band accent. Designed and assembled in the USA. Exclusive drip-free carafe delivers the cleanest pour on the market with a proprietary lid and spout design that arcs the coffee into the cup and wicks the rest back into the carafe. Switch-activated warmer plate keeps your coffee at optimal serving temperature. Fastest 10-cup home coffee maker. Our technology allows our coffee maker to brew a full carafe of coffee in 4 minutes, half the time of typical coffee makers. Based on internal testing of Bunn Speed Brew coffee makers to other similar coffee makers. Number 16. Crock-Pot 6-quart Cook and Carry. The Crock-Pot 6-quart Cook and Carry. Slow Cooker is your ideal kitchen companion for effortless and mess-free portable cooking. With its digital timer, secure locking lid, and the flexibility to serve more than 7 people, make your tailgating, potlucks, family gatherings, and parties hassle-free. Its temperature settings allow customization in cooking, shifting automatically to warm once the cooking completes. Safe for oven and microwave. This slow cooker also includes dishwasher-safe components, making cleaning a breeze. Food stays inside, you reach your destination without a worry, so every culinary journey will be a joy from start to finish. Number 17. Bunn CSB3T 10-cup coffee maker, the fastest home coffee makers in America, now with an updated design. Speed brew coffee makers can brew 10 cups of coffee in about 4 minutes because they store hot water in a stainless steel commercial-grade tank, allowing them to brew coffee on demand. They're always on your counter, always plugged in and always ready to brew the perfect cup of coffee. Taller funnel. Our funnel is engineered to accommodate Bunn filters, which are 1.4 inch taller than other filters. This unique design allows for the quick flow of water and prevents overflow of coffee grounds. Tank. Compared to the other home coffee makers that burp water over your coffee grounds as it boils, our tank keeps 70 Oz of water at an instantly brew-ready temperature. Competitor systems can exceed the recommended standard of 200 OSEF, resulting in a burnt flavor. Thanks to the temperature-regulated tank, the Speed Brew delivers a consistently ideal brewed pot of coffee. Speed Brew is the only home coffee maker designed, engineered, and manufactured with the same commercial practices as the Bunn equipment trusted by cafes and restaurants worldwide. The B1 Speed Brew uses an internal commercial-grade stainless steel hot water tank that keeps 70 oz of water always hot, so you can quickly brew at the flip of a lid.